Good evening, folks. Yeah, just me again. Yeah, didn't do much today. It's been raining all day here, but I was thinking, yeah, I'm not gonna be able to do anything on the hood, but believe me, the outside part, doing a nice trimming around and cutting, I was racking my brain about that. Well, what I should have been racking my brain about was doing the inside. Excuse the hand. Okay. Yeah, I've been writing all over this thing. Yeah, remembering what to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, what have I been doing tonight? Okay, all I've been doing is there's this piece in here, as you can see right here. See, I'm going to keep my camera focused this time on everything, not like my other vids. Sorry about those ones. Okay, I'm trying to show you something here and the camera's way over there. I mean, that was stupid of me. So, yeah, this piece here, I was thinking, damn, I'm going to have to take it all apart again to cut out. But I can pull this back far enough that I can get the grinder with a new cutting wheel on it in there and just touch that, because it's still away. I believe it's still away. Yeah, it's still away from the outer piece a bit. So I just got to cut through it real gently. And the same with, and then and take it down to here, and it'll come off. And man, I got tools all over the floor. And these here, this piece here, whoops, sorry folks, I've just relief cut it. And as you can see, you can bend it right in. Except this one here is just a little too high up. I want it down more, like right where it meets the valley. That the flat part. Right in there. I don't know if I will focus on that. Cut this back a bit more, and then I can, with all these, and then I can lay them all flat, and then weld this to that, and go all the way along here. This I haven't quite figured out yet. Then back all the way along here, and still haven't figured these little corners out. But then I cut this so it's almost perfect. I can weld that up, just take the paint off it. Over here, I'm going to relief cut this because it's too stiff to bang, and I don't want to damage this. But I'll relief cut this, bang it down. And this piece here, right here, 1 second. This piece here, I've notched it at the top on both ends, and when it goes in, it'll fit tight in there with an overlap, right where my finger is, the overlap right here, and then I can overlap that, then nip this right here, and fold it in. I even have to do multiple times, because I'll bang on a little bit with a hammer, but I don't want to bang it on too much. Or before I do this, just come back here and weld in a few places, and then take the outer shell off. Like I got it written down here, but still a few of these, 1, 2, 3s might be still up in the air and everything like that. But yeah, for me first thinking this morning that it's raining, I'm not going to be able to do much on the hood. Well, I was really wrong. And yeah, it looks like it's going to come together. I was really worried about this looking like a shithole when you open up the hood. Excuse the language, But now that I've been sitting here for a while, just contemplating it and thinking it all out, it won't be too bad. And this piece over here, that'll go something like this. It's backwards. See, this bend here should be on the bottom, but I can't really do it that way too well. Yeah, maybe I could still do it that way. Yeah, that sounds a good idea. Anyhow, that's where that will go. And then I'll cut here and blah blah blah. So yeah. So yeah, I really like where this is going. But anyhow, yeah, so this is the scope of it right now. I won't sit here and talk too much. But yeah, my little lamp worked out good. I haven't used that thing for anything for, well, shit, 10 years or more, 12 years. I got remember where I got it. And all of a sudden I needed a light out here because those big ones up there, they really draw the power. So I didn't want to run the electricity bill up. So yeah, it's finally paying for itself. So anyhow, folks, whoops, sorry. Well, that's it for now. I'm just going to sit here and figure a bit more out, maybe cut a little bit more. And if I do, I'll bring you back and then I'll show you the end result, okay? Well, everybody have a great day. Take care. Tell your family you love them each and every day, okay? Folks, well, excuse the light here, I can't see it, yeah. So, peace out and build on, eh? And have a good one. Well, folks, that piece that used to be right down there, hanging down, that used to say, cut away, well, it's been cut away. Yeah, getting all this out, you know, changed all those plans, but hey, it's okay. So now, excitement and drum roll. All I'm going to do is cut these back a little bit more. Just take a little bit off, just take, you know, I don't know, eighth of an inch off. Watch, follow the finger. And then, like I said, just do this up, maybe put a leaf cut down in here, and one here where the bend is, and just see what I can do about folding it in too. But it's gonna come out pretty cool. Yeah, I thought, like I said, I thought there's gonna be the big headache, but I don't know what, you know, that was gonna be, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. I think I've got some metal that I could, if I wanted to, I could extend these. You know, I mean, hey, it's just more support. And yeah, I already showed you what I'm gonna do to the corners. I got those little pieces right there. Where are they? Right there and right there. So yep, I'll bring you back when well, when I'll trim these all up, rebend these back up, and then get them all in and bend them down, and yeah, go from there. Okay, bring it back then, and everybody take care. Bye. Should have used duct tape in the beginning. Masking tape just didn't hold. Good old duct tape. Okay, bye. See what happens when you get in a hurry? Because I had bent these down, cut enough off these, so these pieces here would lay easily halfway. Now some of them just touch. All because I didn't do that one first. Because as I was doing this, trimming these, the tape let go up there and it sagged. But I managed to rescue it, and it'll still grab it. But yeah, yep, I wrote these steps down and now I'm paying for it. So no more tonight. I'm not going to do anything more. Anything else I've done, it's minor. That's the only place I screwed up. So yeah, so follow your instructions when you write them down. Okay, folks. Okay, well, everyone have a good night. Hope everybody has a good day at work tomorrow. Okay, here it's just raining. Oh well, summer's coming. Okay, everybody, peace out and build on. Bye. Tea time. Okay, folks, one last thing before I shut up for tonight. When I take this out, like when I follow these instructions like I should have, I'm going to take it out, spot weld that to it, bend all these to where they are, undo the spot welds, take this inner bracket here off, and clean it all up and paint it. And I was saying, well, I got to make sure I put it right in the back place, so I just drilled 2 holes through it, one there with a machine screw, and one, where are we? Right around there. Do that, so that will line that up. I just had a wasp in here, a big one. Don't know where it came from. Huh. I don't know. But anyhow, yeah, that's my little thing. So it'll be lined up, and all I'll do is just weld up the holes. But yeah, change those plans a few times, like only in the order of them. But yeah, well, that's what all I can do tonight. Go to work tomorrow if the weather permits. It's only March. But yeah, okay. So everybody, have a good evening. It's late here. It's, well, 8:15. So Go home, go in the house, get cleaned up. Okay, buddy? Well, everybody, take care. Peace out, build on, and be good to your family. Bye.